Aloha! Welcome back to my ukulele course. In this lecture, let's learn 3 basic chords: G6, D7, and C. These are very simple chords to start with. First, with your left hand, make a peace sign. Index finger and middle finger are the 2 fingers we will use. Press the bottom string 2nd fret with middle finger, and then press the 3rd string on 2nd fret with index finger. This is G6. Make sure you press in between the fret, not on the fret. Now let's try D7. Same finger on the same fret. Press the top string with your index finger and 2nd string with your middle finger. Lastly, let's try C. It's the easiest one. This time, use your ring finger and press the bottom string 3rd fret. You can actually play thousands of songs using these 3 chords. Let's practice these 3 chords in my next video. Mahalo!